Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the next topic, that is transducer. Okay, so transducer means it converts one form of energy into another form of energy. Okay, so the transducer converts one form of energy into another form of energy. Okay, so mostly this transducer converts the physical quantity into electrical energy. Okay, so this transducer converts physical quantity into electrical energy. Physical quantity means like light, force, then pressure, like that one. Okay, so it this transducer converts physical quantity into electrical energy. Okay, so first let's see the strain gauge transducer is classified into many types. The first one is the strain gauge. Okay, so strain gauge means here this strain is converted into electrical energy. Okay, so here the resistance, we know that resistance depend upon the length and area. Okay, because the resistance is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to area. Okay, so when an electrical conductor is stretched, the length is increases and area is decreases. Okay, isn't it? So consider this as the electrical conductor means if we stretch means the length is increased, the area is decreases. Okay, so there are two types of strain gauges, that is bonded strain gauge and unbonded strain gauge. Okay, let's see one by one. First one is the bonded strain gauge. Okay, so this is the construction of this bonded strain gauge. Okay, so here it is made up of fine rounded wire or foil. Okay, conducting foil. Okay, so this is made up of fine round wire or foil, conducting foil. Okay, the diameter of this fine wire is 25 micrometer. Okay, the diameter of this fine wire is about 25 micrometer. Okay, so this fine wire or conducting foil. Okay, so this is fine wire or conducting foil. Okay, so this is placed on the insulating base. Okay, so this is placed on the insulating base. Okay, then we have to test the material. Okay, so that test specimen required to be tested for the strain to the terminal wires. Okay, so the specimen, okay, that test specimen is connected to this terminal wire. This is the terminal wire, this is the bonding cement, this is insulating layer, this is fine rounded wire or foil, conducting foil. Okay, so then to measure the strain, we stretch that one, isn't it? Okay, so to measure the strain, the terminal wires are connected as one of the resistor in a V-stone bridge arrangement. Okay, so to measure the strain, we uses the V-stone bridge. Okay, do you understand? Here the strain is converted into electrical energy. Okay, then next one is the unbonded strain gauge. Unbonded strain gauge, this is the construction of this unbonded strain gauge. Okay, so this R1 and R4 are the electrically insulated pins. There is 4 pins there. This R1 and R4 is electrically insulated pins. Then R2 and R3 is strain sensitive wire. Then this is the movable armature. See, this one is the movable armature. Then here we are applying the pressure. Okay, so these are the construction. Okay, so it has 4 pins. That is 2 pins are electrically insulated pins. These are the strain sensitive wire. Then this is the movable armature. Here we apply the pressure. Okay, so here this unbonded strain gauge utilizes the strain sensitive wires. Okay, so here we use the strain sensitive wire. Okay, so here this unbonded strain gauge utilizes the strain sensitive wires with one end fixed to an insulated pin. Okay, so here it fixed with an insulated pin. Okay, and to an immovable frame, and the other similarly attached to the moving armature. So here sensitive wire is there. So one end is connected to the movable armature and another one is connected to this immovable frame. Okay, do you understand? So this is the strain sensitive wire. Okay, so this R2 and R3 is the strain sensitive wire, the one end is connected to immovable frame, isn't it? This is the immovable frame. This is the immovable frame. So one end is connected to the immovable frame. Another one end is connected to the movable frame. Okay. So when this armature is moved, so this wire is stretched. Do you understand? So when this armature, when we apply the pressure, here this immovable frame is, that is immovable armature is moved. Okay. So if it is moved means this one stretched, this length of this wire is stretched. Okay. So to measure the resistance we use the Wheatstone bridge. Okay. So this is the strain gauge. Okay, strain gauge. It is classified into two types: bonded strain gauge and unbonded strain gauge. Okay, so transducer means it converts one form of energy into electrical energy, that is physical quantity into electrical energy. Okay, thank you.